What the fuck? What the hell? Hello guys. Welcome to an episode of this game. It's this game, you know. I'm playing with a guy named Fricketts. He's a pretty lit YouTuber. He plays Phantom Forces. He's like 500 times better than me. Because I mean I'm ass, but yeah. Like go over there. So yeah, you don't have to reload this game? I just realized that. Dang, I'm weak as heck. People over there. I'll save you, Fricketts. Oh wait, God. Oh, he hit level 666. Holy shit. What? There we go. Holy crap, I'm weak. Holy crap. I didn't know I was this weak. Dang, I suck. Okay, I don't even know what I'm doing in this game. I'm just getting team carried. Holy shit. Save me, people! I got a tank on me. Wait, this is easy. Aim purely for head. That's all I gotta do. There we go. Easy. I would appreciate it if you don't steal my kill, please. Thank you. But let's look at these people. Okay, I'm actually pretty bad. I actually pretty bad at this game, just FYI. I rarely play, so yeah. Just had to make that clear with you guys. Hello. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? Yeah, dang, everything's stronger than I expected. Oh, level 20. Oh, look how quickly I'm leveling up. What the heck? Dang, this server is OP. And yeah, of course these zombies are autistic, so they just can't even hit me, because that's how zombies work in this game. Wait, what's it? I don't remember it being this easy to level up. Like, I'm already like almost leveled up again. There we go. Oh, what the hell? Wait, hold up. This is easy. I don't remember the game being this easy, but okay, I guess. It's a good thing. Thanks for the kill. Fricks. Oh, what the fuck? I'm being destroyed. I suck. I suck. Wait, hold up. Let's go. Let's go destroy this guy. Oh my god, I'm gay. I just ran into the wall. That's pretty gay. Don't you agree? Like, people over there. Wait, easy kill. Okay, this is not part of the plan. Save me. I don't even know what to say right now. This game is so easy. And I feel like I'm gonna die like 2 seconds later because I said that. I can't hit head. There we go. I guess I'll play first person because it makes me look sexy. Let's do this. A Roblox YouTuber listening to heavy metal trap. I don't think you see that in a while. Wait, hold up. This game is so gay. Why do people play this? Why is this game so popular? I mean, why am I playing it? Cause I don't know. I have no content to upload for today. There we go. Wait, this is on me right here. Oh dang, those jukes are too good for me. Okay. Watch this guy steal my kill. There you go, he didn't steal my kill. What the hell? Oh. Fuck you thought. What? Who's this guy doing? I guess I'll buy this guy. Oh, I got myself a rubber ducky. Wait, where's my rubber ducky? I thought I just got myself a rubber ducky. What the heck? That's so gay. Look at this autistic little looking demon. You're dead. GG. Can you like bunny jump in this game? Wait, hold on. Oh, this is my rubber. Oh, what the hell? I wasn't part. This wasn't so. I didn't agree for. I wasn't paid for this. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm actually gonna die. Dang, this is actually a pretty hard. Okay, I see. You gotta dodge. And of course it goes the same direction as me. I'd rather avoid it. But I appreciate that. Thank you. Oh shit, I'm just gonna like go third person so I don't stupid ass shit like that doesn't happen. See, stupid ass shit like this doesn't happen. Look at that. This is the reason why this game is gay. I don't know how that corresponds. But, I guess it does somehow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm actually kind of happy that I bought this rubber ducky. It's saving the shit out. I would be dead, probably. But he's got tank. Overlord, I dare you. Fight me, boy. See, that's why wait, where the heck? Oh, there it is. Yeah, we're so good. Wait, hold up. Let's do this. Look at this rubber ducky just following me around. Yeah, you get on my level. You're too slow. Oh, what the hell? Wait, you can throw your sword? Oh, what? I never knew that? Oh, that's awesome. This thing sucks. This thing's so weak. No, fuck this shit. Ready for this? Get on my level, boy. I was so stupid. Like, I can't aim. Please, please, forgive me. How long do people play this game to get Fricketts? He leveled up like 10 times already. I leveled up like once. What the heck? How do people do that? Oh my god. I didn't agree on this. Oh, I got all these people really weak. Let's do this. See, they're scared. They're scared of me, man. I'm too good. Just shoot randomly, because you know sometimes go. See that dodge? See that juke? Look at these jukes, boys. See, he just got things he can kill me. He just got shit on. He just got shit on. Oh, free points. Thank you for bringing all these zombies here so I can get the free points. see this guy? This kid! This AI zombie is pissing me off. What the heck? That's a zombie? I thought it was like an iceberg or some shit. I don't know. Kill me, Ducky. Okay. Does that count as killing? I have no clue, but thank you, Ducky. Okay, this is actually kind of boring. This game is kind of boring. This game is too easy. I should have done solo. See, you just run away, and then you just shoot, and that's all you gotta do. So you just see a zombie, you're just dead. This game is so easy. This is even easier than Phantom Forces. My Phantom Forces isn't easy because I suck. See, look at this girl. Okay, yeah, I didn't agree on this. I'm sorry, save me, people. See, look at these jukes, boys. Look at this. You can't do anything. Oh, psych. Oh, dang! I just juking these guys. Look at this. Psych. See, look at that. Look at that. This autistic little piece of booty holes. Okay, I go. Oh, you can go there. You psych. Oh, you didn't see that coming. Didn't see that coming. GG. I'm at level 44. This game is so easy. Was it always like, did you always level up this fast? Come at me, bro. That's what I thought. I guess I'm done soon. Okay. This is gay. I can save you, Fricketts. I got you, bruh. It's easy. Easy. You can't die in this game unless you're bad. Which is me. I am bad, so I guess I could die in this game. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the slime. Oh my god, this game is stupid. This game is so easy. Why is this game on the populars list? That's my question. I can make this. I mean, just kidding. I could use a bunch of free models, and then this game would be made already. Oh, I reloaded the gun for once. I didn't even know if you could reload in this game. Wait, how do you reload? This person's okay. Good, you're not throwing your sword around anymore. That was stupid. Is this one of those games where you can like, if you shake your sword, it becomes stronger? No, it isn't. I guess I'll get like a few more kills. Well, I'm gonna level up one more time. I'm gonna end the video. Oh, okay, I leveled up. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And I guess, you know, I don't know what to say anymore. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See, just like this. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. I hope you see you guys in the next video. And peace out, boys.